Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, we are going to compare two platforms that many course creators talk about. These are Skool and the Kajabi. If you are thinking about making an online course, or maybe you already have one and you want to grow it, you might be asking which one is the better option for you. Now in this video, we are going to clear that. Skool versus Kajabi. Now before we go deep into the video, just a quick reminder. In the description of this video, I have added links to the official pages for Skool and Kajabi both, so you can always check the latest features, plans and updates there. Now because these tools keep adding new things every year and I don't want you to miss it out, so check the description. Now let's start with Kajabi. Kajabi has been around for many years and many people know it. Kajabi is what we call an all-in-one platform. That means it gives you almost everything you need in one place. So you can host your courses, you can build your website, you can send marketing emails, you can make sales pages, and you can even accept payments. So for a course creator, this is very helpful because you don't have to connect many different tools. Everything lives in just Kajabi. Kajabi also has the strong automation. For example, if a student buys a course, Kajabi can automatically send them a welcome email and give them access to the courses era, and maybe even add them to your newsletter list. So you don't have to do this by your hand. This makes scaling your business easier. Another thing about Kajabi is its design. The courses are very professional, clean, and it is mobile friendly. Students can watch on desktop or on their phone, which is very important these days. But Kajabi is not perfect. Some people feel it can be a little heavy because it tries to do everything. Sometimes you pay for features you don't even use. For example, maybe you don't need the website builder because you already have a WordPress site or a website, or maybe you don't use email marketing inside Kajabi because you already have another email tool. In that case, Kajabi might feel expensive. Now let's talk about Skool. Skool is newer compared to Kajabi, but it has grown very fast. The idea of Skool is simple. It focuses on community plus courses. When you log into Skool, it looks like a private social network. There is a community feed where your student can talk, share and connect. And next to that, there is the course area where your lessons are. So it feels like a mix between Facebook group and an online course platform. One thing I personally like about Skool is how engaging it feels. Students are not only watching videos quietly, they are also part of a group. They can ask questions, help each other and celebrate wins. So this makes learning more fun and sticky. Many creators say their students finish more of the course when it's on Skool because of the community energy. Skool also has gamification. That means students get point and level when they interact, like post or complete their lesson. So this is simple, but it motivates people to stay active. Another plus point is Skool is very easy to use. It doesn't have hundreds of settings. You can set it up in just few minutes and it looks very clean without much efforts. Now of course, Skool is not trying to be everything. It does not have built-in email marketing, advanced funnel or full website builder like Kajabi, and you will probably need other tools for these parts. But for community plus course delivery, it is one of the best in right now. So which one is better for you? Well, if you want one platform that does everything in just one place, then Kajabi is the best option for you. It has a website, email, courses, payments, each and everything is a safer choice. But if your main focus is creating an active learning community where students support each other, then Skool is the strongest choice for you. Some creators even use both Kajabi for marketing and payments, and they use Skool for actual learning experience. So at the end of the day, it depends on your teaching style. If you like structure, funnels and automation, Kajabi will feel right. But if you like interaction, community and simple delivery, then Skool is the option for you. It might be better. Now remember to check the description for the latest deals and the offers for both platforms. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this very helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video.